Hey guys, so I recently just bought the CFMOTO 300 SS. It's a 2022, so it's brand new. They just started production of this. It's hard to find parts and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be posting on how to do an oil change because I'm at my 600 break-in mark, or my 600 mile break-in mark. So um, I know there's probably not many videos, so let's go ahead and get it started and walk you through it. So you want to drain the oil here. So there's the lug, the drain plug right there. I have a white line on it, so I know where it is to torque down on. You need a 17 millimeter socket for that. You need some type of cardboard funnel, you know, to stick in there and let it drain into the pan. If not, it'll get all over the exhaust and that kind of stuff. So you don't want to do that. So I already drained the oil. So now we're gonna go to the other side. Oh, also one thing you want to do is take a magnet. You know, I have a retractable magnet like this, and when the plug is off, just, you know, stick this in there, move it around, and maybe pick up any metal shavings that has happened or occurred. All right, so for the filter, it's hidden behind this piece right here. So you need an Allen wrench, and you just take out this one screw right here. And then this piece, it slides out to the left. So pull it like that and it slides out. Don't try to pull it straight out or bend it. You don't want to break anything. Okay, and then this right here is where the filter is. So you need an 8 millimeter socket. You just take 1, 2, 3 off. All right, after the front piece comes off, just pull filter off. Let me clean up any of the extra grease or oil that's in there. Okay, that's good enough. All right, so the filter for this, I could not find it any Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, Napa, anything like that. So I had to go to the dealership that I bought the bike from, and luckily they had them in stock, but it looks like they have to order it, so from China. So yeah, so I'm gonna open this and put it on. All right, so you want to take some of the new oil and you know, lubricate that piece right there, that black rubber piece. Okay, and then that is gonna fit in right there. And then you go ahead and you put the cap back on. All right, so kind of oil you need is 10W40 synthetic blend. On the motor right here, this cap right here is where you pour the oil into. And there's a little gauge right here that lets you know how much you need to add. So I replaced the oil and the filter, so I need to add 1.4 liters. Take that off. I got a funnel right here. All right, and just like that, it's done. I mean, it's super easy. A couple things I missed. Before you drain the oil, I'd turn it on, let it run for a minute or two, just so the oil warms up and thins out, so it's not as thick coming out and everything. And then when you're done putting the oil in, you know, tilt it upright and check your oil level right here. Again, I have a white line marked so I know where the level is. But if it's above that, that's fine, because some of it's going to go into the filter here. All right. So now I'm going to start it and let it run for a minute or two. All right. Now that that's back on, I'm putting this piece back on so it just slides back into place.